So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in manage-bde space, and now the letter of the drive they're having a problem with. So either it's going to be C colon or D colon. For me, I'm going to be doing C colon. Space dash off. Click on enter. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to type in chkdsk space, and now your drive letter. So for me, it's going to be C colon again, space /F space /R space /X. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. Now once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. You now want to run the scan. After you complete the scan, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.